I think every commercial business, if you guys own the roof space, then it is a very simple decision to go for solar. It will save you money. This site here at Dandenong is going to save $1.6 million over the 25-year lifespan of the system, which is $80,000 in the first year. And over the 25-year life of the system, it's going to be $1.6 million. The energy security that a commercial solar system offers lasts for 25 years. The warranties on the panels is 25 years. It covers you for all products, parts, labour, freight, materials. You name it, if anything goes wrong, that will be fixed. So I think if you're considering a commercial solar system for your business, then like with everything, you've got to look at the premium product as well as the standard range and weigh up what the differences are for you and what suits your business. There's obviously a cost difference between those two things, but there's also an efficiency return that comes from the more premium product. So the longer term viability of a premium system with the extended 25-year warranty gives massive security to our customers.